we go, nice British Indian restaurant inspired healthy recipe coming up. Got a nice wok on the go here, and we're going to just put a little bit of oil because we're going to blanch our baby aubergine and okra. Let the oil heat up. So the oil's nice and hot, so I've got about 2 handfuls of baby aubergine and the same amount of okra, topped, not tailed and cut diagonally. Just going to give those a saute now for about 3.5 minutes. As soon as the okra is bright green and the aubergine is softened, that's enough. So do give it a good stir as it's going, because if your cooker is anything like mine, it's nice and hot. So what we need to do is put them onto some tissue. Don't want it overly greasy, but it does help to pre-fry okra and aubergine before you add it to the sauce. So we've got our vegetables resting. Next, heaped tablespoon of ginger and garlic. Give it a good stir. That's been sizzling nicely for about a minute. In with 1 onion now, and I'm just doing this to massage the onion to separate the layers because I want them nice and flash fried. So give them a good stir. So it's been about a minute. I'm adding the chilies now to soften them. Nice and spicy. So I'm adding about 80 millilitres of base gravy. Do check out my base gravy, it's phenomenal. Smell those chilies? Excellent. So you can call me a cheat if you want, but I'm using Kitchen King because it's simply amazing. And it's better than a lot of spices I can make, so why compromise? Just go with the best. Adding about a tablespoon of Kitchen King, maybe a heaped tablespoon. You can find it in all your Asian stores. If you haven't got, oh, I can smell that really inviting warm smell now. If you haven't got Kitchen King, just use your mixed powder. Sorry, it's pretty spicy, that is. Just use your mixed powder or cumin, coriander, chili, turmeric, whatever you want. And we're going to add a little bit of turmeric to that as well, because it's really good for you. Another 80 ml of base gravy. And give it all a good stir, let it come to a boil. So it's on a ferocious bubble now. Time to add the okra and the aubergine. And it's only parboiled, so it could do with absorbing all those flavours, and that's a great thing. All the cavities of the okra and the spongy texture of the aubergine will really pick up some great flavours. That's a really, really good combination. So just let that all come to a good boil. So I'm having bread with this, so I need a little bit of sauce. So another 110 millilitres of base gravy. I don't measure anything, but I'm sure you get the idea. So that's about exactly how I want it. Maybe we'll add a little bit more. We'll reduce that base gravy, bring out all those great flavours. Add some salt. I'm going to add about 50 millilitres of base gravy again. And by the way, my base gravy is bubbling up in a pan next to this, so it's added hot. You want to reduce your temperature every minute, adding it. So I'm just going to boil that down now. And last step, I'm going to add a little bit of chopped cilantro, coriander. Give it a stir, let it come to a really nice boil. Turn the heat down for the last minute. A little bit of oil separation, and that's done. We'll come back once that's ready to serve. So that's bubbling away ferociously. We've got bubbles throughout. I don't stir. When I've added the last base gravy, I want that charred really, really exacerbated flavour, if you like. So that's ready. So I'm going to have some nice whole wheat chapatis with that, and it's good to go. Thank you very much for watching. The thumbnail is what it looks like when it's served. I'm serving it in a Balti bowl. Happy New Year.